This video will start with a very quick overview of the history of Industrial HiVision. If you need more information about the functionality of the software, just watch some of the many videos available on the internet. Whether you are looking for an application to monitor your network at home or supervise a small network at your business, the promotion version of Industrial HiVision will more than meet your requirements. The objective of this video is to explain how you can get a permanent license for Industrial HiVision free of charge and forever. Hirschmann has been manufacturing networking products for more than 20 years. As networks have increased in complexity, a comprehensive but user-friendly configuration and supervision tool has become essential. Industrial HiVision is a network management application developed in-house by Hirschmann. It's now in its third generation and it reflects years of development experience. When you try out Industrial HiVision, you'll notice that the look and feel is different to most office network management applications, whether commercial or open source. There are many reasons for this. To give an example, in an IT department, the network manager is usually an IT expert. In industrial networking, the automation engineer is an expert in the complete automation system, but may be less familiar with networking. As a result, the network supervision tools must be highly graphical. Each component of an installation has a visual representation complete with status colors. A clear and concise overview of a network status is critical. This is the design principle of Industrial HiVision. In the past, we deliberately limited the interaction between Industrial HiVision and non-Hirschmann devices. But over the years, we've evolved Industrial HiVision to supervise SNMP-enabled equipment from any manufacturer. For people new to network management, Industrial HiVision works out of the box, complete with a startup wizard. For those with more experience, Industrial HiVision is highly customizable. And for experts, we offer comprehensive tools for in-depth integration of SNMP devices into Industrial HiVision. Today, Industrial HiVision can monitor devices from any manufacturer. If you download and install Industrial HiVision, it will run without a license for 30 days. After that period, it will stop working. A license is then required to keep using the software. Commercial paid licenses are available, but there is also a free of charge promotion license. The promotion license has the following characteristics. It can be used to manage a maximum of 16 nodes. In this case, a node is any device with an IP address. Ideally, the devices should support SNMP, but basic supervision functionality is even available for devices which only support ping. The license never expires. If you later decide to move to a newer version of Industrial HiVision, just get a new license. Often, promotion software is a cut-down version of the full application. This is not the case with this promotion license. All functionality offered by the paid version is supported by the promotion version. There's just one small exception, which anyway would not make sense with 16 nodes. The promotion licenses cannot be stacked. Only one can be used per installation. It's not possible to combine the promotion license with paid licenses. So if an Industrial HiVision installation has a 16-node promotion license and a 32-node paid license, the system will support 32 nodes in total. Finally, you need at least version 6 of Industrial HiVision to use the promotion license. To get started, you'll need to download and install Industrial HiVision. There are two main locations from where Industrial HiVision can be downloaded. The first is the Hirschmann Technical Support website. Here you'll find all software offered by Hirschmann. Industrial HiVision is located in the Download section under Tools. You'll need to create an account to log in to the support website, which can be done online. The same account can later be used to get free of charge technical support for Hirschman products. The second option is to visit the Industrial HiVision website. This also requires you to create an account to download the software. In addition to Industrial HiVision, you'll find other software tools, news, and guides. There are even real-life case studies provided by our loyal customers over the years. There's sure to be something to enhance your network supervision. Although the promotion license is free of charge, it must still be registered. The registration process itself is quite straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes. This is time well spent to get Industrial HiVision free of charge. First, you need to install Industrial HiVision. This is because the promotion license is tied to the PC hardware where Industrial HiVision is running. If you decide later to run Industrial HiVision on a different PC, just repeat the registration process. Once the installation is complete, go to the Help About License menu. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the hardware key of your PC. Make a note of it or use Ctrl-C to paste it to your PC's clipboard. Next, go to the Industrial HiVision website, www.hivision.de. From the menu on the left, select License, then Register 16-node version. For maximum availability, the license registration site is not run on the same server as the other websites. This means that you will need to create a separate account in order to register the software. Just to be clear, you cannot use the same account that you used to download the software. This is slightly inconvenient, but it's a trade-off for availability. In any case, you will probably use the Industrial HiVision website account later to create other licenses. In the Action drop-down box, select the option to create a 16-node license. You'll then need to provide some basic information. It's important that you enter a valid email address. Your license will be emailed to this address. When you receive the license, copy it directly into Industrial HiVision in the Preferences License section. If you'd like to watch the registration process before trying it yourself, there is a video available on the Industrial HiVision website which runs through it from start to finish. Just watch it at your leisure. That's it. You're now ready to start using your free of charge promotion license. Whether you use the promotion version of Industrial HiVision to monitor your network at home or supervise a small network at your business, the work you put into configuration and customization will not be wasted. You can use the software free of charge forever. Of course, this is a promotion. We hope you like the application so much that you migrate to a paid version. But even if you decide to stay with the free of charge promotion version, we'll always appreciate your feedback. Thank you for watching this video.